Hello, I am Samuel. In this video, I will repair this laptop. This laptop is Asus and the model number is X553M. This laptop works, but it has a problem with a power connector because the power connector is damaged and here is a pin of the power connector. Just now, let's go take the part. Open and check it works. On. Yes, the hard drive goes spin out and the laptop is booting, but it has a problem with power connector. Okay. Continue with diagram. Just now you need to remove this top. You can remove the hard drive. Simply slide out the hard drive. And this is a Toshiba 500 gigs standard laptop hard drive, 2.5-inch format. Remove the battery. Put this PC inside out and lift up the battery connector. Unscrew the battery. The battery is lithium polymer, 30 watt hours and 7.6 volts. The number is B21N1329. Nothing special. Remove the DVD-ROM. This is a standard DVD writable drive, nothing special. It's a thin design of DVD-ROM. And let's go to remove the motherboard. Disconnect the CPU fan. Disconnect the laptop speakers and this extension module with 3.5 combinated TRS jack and USB 2.0. Disconnect this flat cable and unscrew the motherboard, but disconnect the LVDS cable which goes into display. Disconnect the Wi-Fi and antenna. Unscrew the wireless module. And just now unscrew the motherboard. Simply pull up and here is held by this plastic and slide out. Okay, the motherboard is outside. On the other side is a 4 gigs DDR3 memory. Here is a damaged jack, Ethernet port, VGA, HDMI and USB 3.0. And here is the CPU, because this is a modern CPU which has only 15 watts DDP or less. I'm going to remove the shield of the bed connector. It is soldered on the 6 places. And just now you need preheat the motherboard. by hot air station and preheat to temperature about 300 degrees of Celsius. And preheat it. Okay, after the preheat, you need to unsolder the old connector from the motherboard. Set the soldering iron to 400 degrees of Celsius, and just now I will mix the tin with the new tin. It is a standard lead tin, and here is a lead-free tin used on the motherboard soldering. Mixed it, and also used flux paste. To apply on the motherboard. And use unsolder wick to remove the tin. Set the airflow about 30%, 32, and preheat very slowly the connector onto the motherboard. I need mixed my tin with the stock tin because it is lead free and it has higher melting temperature, and it is a very bad for me. Let's go. Okay, this was successfully removed. Check this out, this is absolutely damaged. The connector is absolutely damaged. Okay. Okay, and just now I will remove the all remaining tin from the motherboard. He is there and there using the Soldering. Okay, I cleaned the holes in the motherboard, and just now you need solder in a new connector, and I received it from Slovakia, from abelmac.sk, and the link will be in the description. Also, it is possible to buy in China, but I need here in 3 days was there, and it was very fast shipping. Okay, and inside is a connector and unpack. Let's go outside. Okay, it is there. I bought a new connector. This looks very beautiful. Here is a new, it is a 1mm pin inside, and the outside diameter is 4mm. Okay, let's go solder this connector into the motherboard. This is a shorter version. I need to create a hole there. Okay, the hole was created in the motherboard. Simply put in. Okay, it fits very perfectly. Okay, let's go solder the connector into motherboard, and let's first preheat. Push the connector into motherboard and just now solder in. I am using the classical tin. It contains 60% of tin and 40% of lead. Okay, the connector was successfully soldered into the motherboard. It looks like, and And just now you need use alcohol to remove the remaining flux from motherboard. Okay, just now check the electrical connection by using beep test, and after this you can completize the laptop and test it. Okay, nothing beeping, this is a ground. And when I plug the charger into the connector, and beep these two pins, it's also beeping. Okay, that is good. Okay, put the motherboard into laptop and test put the motherboard into the laptop and test the operatings of the charger. It will be signalized by LED, which is there, which is there. It is a orange color LED. Simply put the motherboard in the laptop and connect the flat cable. Plug in the battery. And plug in the charger in. And yes, this LED signalized the battery is charging without any problem and the laptop works. And just now let's go to completize. Yes, it goes into BIOS and laptop is working, but the battery is discharged. Okay, the repair was successful. Okay, continue. is charging. Try to turn on. Hangouts spin up. And it goes into the BIOS. And why? I don't know. Yes, you need the time, date and so on. Because when I remove this battery, it's also back up the BIOS and you need set up the BIOS. That is simple. Mount the motherboard. Has a small problem because the BIOS forgot the settings. The BIOS forgot the settings because I removed the main battery, and it also was used as a backup battery for the BIOS, and I need set the boot option to FE and boot. It was very simple. Just now it was booting into Windows 8.1. Thanks for watching and see you next time.